Hello, good morning guys. Acompanha-me na rua Michaela nia mini shopping Ohin dadarsan. Depois de sair missa do cozinha, na rua mai aislang hola lai sasan ne bema.
Michaela,
Precisa.
what you have?
Yane Michaela fotinia biscuit,
Good.
yogurt,
Milk?
e vamos hola nia milk.
Milk?
Eat my milk.
It's your milk. I know, it's heavy. Mommy put. Ooh. Okay. Yes. Michaela, lakuin taus ni sasang plastic ne? Hey.
Peppa Pig, Susie.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Lapar gani. Come on, let's go to other shop. Come on. Lago. Come on.
Good, Mommy.
Keep move. Let's
Yeah,
let's go find banana chips. Daddy karti raga ne uni masih.
No. Is it? No.
Michaela. Michaela. No chili.
Oh, I see.
Banana chips. Ni heta na banana chips.
What?
Banana chips. Take 2. One for me. Good girl. Come on, let's go pay.
What? Hello?
Come on, move. Wait. I know, too heavy. Give it.
Mommy,
Put it back there, basket. This is yours. You already paid.
no.
This is yours. This. No, bring back. There. Put there.
Oh, I don't good.
Good girl. Put nicely. Thank you.
Yogurt.
I'm a fairy nih. Come on. Walk. Walk like a penguin. Come on. Good. You like go shopping?
Yeah.
Oh. Say, Daddy, I like go shopping. Didn't Daddy like? Hi, windows walne musiani. Hi. You see that?
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.